Hello guys, it's currently 4:47 p.m. in the morning, Sunday, and I just entered a trade on Boom 500. I saw a trade opportunity, so I came to enter. I've did my analysis on trading view, and again I'm just showing this to you as to when I'm entering the market. So I will just do a quick analysis here. So I have my analysis word on trading view. So if you look at the market directly, the market has been on a downtrend for days ago. And if a market is in a downtrend, what you should be looking for is what more of what sells. So we don't just sell randomly. We sell at what at keyword levels. And how do you sell at key level? You look at what market structure. When the market is on a downtrend, you are looking for lower highs and what lower low, lower highs and what lower low. So this is exactly what this market is currently doing, and we are currently on a lower high at what this level. We are currently on a lower high at this level. You can see that this market has been giving us what lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Here, give us a lower high, now a lower low, and this is a lower high. So I'm expecting that this market should give me a what a new lower low, confirming our downtrend. So the market is on a downtrend, and if it is giving you a series of what a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, that confirms exactly what the market should be doing. And currently, when you look at the market, exactly that is what is doing right now. So it's currently on a lower what high. So I'm expecting that this market will move and give us a new lower low. So I only have two positions. I've only entered two positions so far. So I'm looking. You can see I've placed my stop loss right above here. I didn't put TPs. I watch the market. So when I'm seeing signs of what rejection, then I close what my trade. So this is the entries that I'm showing you right now, and I'm going to be monitoring the market. And if you can see structure wise, this market before this market will either buy, it has to break what this that level. Market has to break the level that I just marked out. It has to break this level. If it is able to break that level successfully, then I can then confirm that the market is ready to move what is ready. If it's able to break this zone successfully, means that it has what broken what structure. But with the current look of the market right now, it has what not breaking what structure. That structure is still in touch, giving us a series of what lower highs and what lower low. So that is what I'm currently seeing on Boom 500, and these are my trade for now. So I'm going to leave you here and then come back later when the market starts to move in my direction. If this market decides to move against me, I have my stop loss in place, and I've did my analysis. As I said, I've did my analysis on trading view, and I know the amount of money that I'm going to be what risking. So far so good. This is how things are looking, and then let's go and come back. So guys, just after recording the first version of the video, 3 hours later, this was how the market um was moving. So I actually predicted the market direction correctly, and how I analyze the market, indeed, that was how the market indeed would move. So I was still anticipating a big move to the downside. So, and is this is the current look of what. So guys, at this stage, the market indeed moved and I closed out some positions and also entered a position on boom thousand. So I was seeing much rejection. So as you can see, I was seeing a lot of what rejection. So that one led to me closing what one position. As you can see, I was seeing much rejection. So I closed out one positions and then saw an opportunity on boom thousand and also what entered. So I was holding boom 500 and boom thousand and everything was in profit. So I decided boom thousand to I decided to take partial what profit because I was seeing signs of what rejections on it too. So this was how I actually traded and then I analyzed the market from the beginning. You saw it and I analyzed it directly and then as you can see the daily profit was about $31 dollar. Then I was still holding and analyzing, seeing looking at it, looking at the market to see where the market could potentially what move overall. At this point, I was still expecting that the market will move down and give me a lower low.